How do we get motivated instantly in any given situation to do a task, whether you want to go to gym, or whether you want to complete a project in the office, or whether you're doing you come back from school and you need to do the homework, but you're too lazy or lethargic to do it. How do you do it? You get two ways to do it: psychological way and physiological way. Psychological and physiological, they're interchangeable, they are interconnected. If you change the psychology, physiology will change. If you change the physiology, psychology will change. Let me explain you without going too much into psychology sessions. An event happened, you put that event through to your previous experiences, time, space, language, energy, belief systems, value system, attitude, your behavior and all that, and you either generalize something, or you delete it, or you distort it. Based on to those filters, you make the internal representation of that system. That internal representation have the pain and pleasure concept associated to that. If doing something is too much painful, our brain will try to avoid it. If doing something is too much pleasuresome, our brain would want to do it. If that event prior to that, you was in a comfortable state, your brain had associated too much pleasure, being in comfort, in your comfort zone, then you will delete or distort or generalize or do something from that filter that will change your state based on to how you look at it, and that will change your physiology, and physiology is the behavior. So behavior is actually the outcome of how you react to an event. For instance, a friend called you to go to gym. If there is too much pain that you're associated going to the gym, you will try to avoid it. The way to snap out of that situation and to get motivated is pile upon pile, pain upon pain upon pain, not doing it, and pleasure upon pleasure upon pleasure by doing it, and you will instantly be motivated to do it. Going to gym is not painful. Going to gym is pleasuresome. You get out there, you go meet new people, you build up muscle, you sweat, you will fit into beautiful clothes that you always wanted to wear, you will drop size, you will put on some muscle. Enough pleasure associated to that by going to gym, and your brain will compel you to go there. Enough pain that you associate not going to gym, you will get fat, you lose your hard work for last few days and weeks and months. You get lazy tomorrow, more lazy than today. Enough pile upon enough pain not going to gym, and you will try to go to gym. Your psychology, your brain will tell you to go to gym and get the job done and dusted. And same goes with the project, with the homework. Associate pain and pleasure concept and relate to that all the times, and your brain will be your outcome will be determined. Psychologically is this way, pain and pleasure concept. Other easier way to do it is the physiological way of doing it. Physiological is straightforward. You sitting, stand up. Move your body fast enough, get motivated, get your body to be motivated. Once you get your body to be motivated, energetic, passionate, your feeling will automatically follow. You can't have a negative feeling while your body is energetic and motivated. Make your body to be in a positive state, your feeling will follow. And that's exactly how it will happen. Change your physiology will change your feeling will determine the outcome. You get motivated by being in a motivated state. Get yourself in a motivated state. If you want to go do something, just snap out of your resistance situation. Move your body fast enough. Rapidly think about a situation where you have done that before, and just do exactly what you did. Move your body. The way I work, I move my arms, my body fast enough. I have the positive motivated gesture, and that changes my feeling, and that eventually gets me in a motivated state. And that's the easiest way to do it. I hope that answered your question.